Ever wish you could neatly combine cells in Excel to make your spreadsheets look cleaner and more professional? In this video, I will show you exactly how to merge cells in Excel, step by step, in just under 90 seconds. First, select the cells you want to merge. For example, if you want to merge cells containing a name, click and drag your mouse to highlight both the first name and last name cells. Next, navigate to the Home tab in the Excel ribbon at the top of your screen. Look for the alignment group. Within this group, you'll find the Merge and Center button. It usually looks like a rectangle with arrows pointing inwards. Click the little arrow next to the Merge and Center button to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. For the most common merging, simply select Merge and Center. This will combine the selected cells into one and center the text within the new, larger cell. If you want to merge cells in each row separately, choose Merge Across. This is useful when you have multiple rows of data and want to merge cells within each row individually. Selecting Merge Cells just merges the cells without centering the content. The content will remain in the leftmost cell. To unmerge cells, select the Merge cell, click the arrow next to Merge and Center again, and choose Unmerge Cells. This will separate the merged cell back into its original individual cells. And that's it. You've successfully merged cells in Excel. Now you can create cleaner, more organized, and visually appealing spreadsheets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.